I'm doing a thermal imaging video for 1258 in Tacoma. Tried to do a negative pressure test, but it was a little difficult. I had to go in and out a few times, and so we didn't create that negative pressure, but we're going to go around, look under the bathrooms and look at the heat registers, make sure they're producing heat. All the yellow areas are warmer, purple, bluish is colder, and you'll see in the attic's warm. You can see the ceiling joists or rafters, and I'm just going to go around and kind of look at everything. Heat register. Usually right around the bulbs, heats up the whole area. I just filled up the tub. It's got the heat shining right through there, heating up that wall. And you can see how quickly the heat changes.
They're really not a response agency. They are a guidance agency. They're sort of the guidelines and not go to and do stuff. And we found that out very early on when we went. I think they all kind of effectively admitted, like, this is not in our wheelhouse. We don't do response. We don't do pandemic level response. We'll handle, mild stuff as far as guidance. Like the I don't know if you know anything about the what is it? TB positive rates.
And I looked at the panel. The water heater is the warmest, 95. It's not that hot. Little cold spot was the shut-off valve for the water. Typically, if there's a leak under a bathtub or in the bathroom, it looks like cold pooling water. Got our heat source there. It's also good to see how cold it is around that slab. You know, it's going to be cold around those edges no matter what. But it's nice to see if there's anything sticking out that would show signs of maybe moisture or something like that. Yeah, the sun can be tricky. This is actually a reflection of the sun on these doors. But it doesn't look like we have any issues. All of the heat registers are working. No leaks under the tubs or under the kitchen. Couldn't get a negative pressure. I got a little bit in the beginning, so that's okay. One of the exhaust vents wasn't working in the primary bedroom's bathroom. So, and we could see some of the structure, which looked all pretty typical. And no areas where it looked like there was any massive missing insulation or gaps or anything like that. Looked pretty full.